You know?
Blacks, whites, Asians, Hispanics, Christian, Muslims, Moors and Atlantic from Northwest, East, South, Pacific.
¡Eres una zorra!
We mold mountains out of granite. Feel the rhapsody. Fit this joint.
¡Tío! ¡El puto tatuaje! ¡Es una calcomanía, hijo de puta!
Ready to seize the seas deep as 20,000 leagues. Lyricists have been drowned rappers.
¡Me han estafado otra vez! ¡Hijo de puta! ¡5 de los grandes! ¡Pero esta mierda!
Practice this, cause every rhyme on my back.
¡Mamá! ¡Mi pistola!
Rock many fans, many hands clap to this. In many lands from here to Minneapolis, these civil rights activists.
¡Mamá! ¡Mi pistola!
I'm ripping foes apart, so remain seated like Rosa Parks because I bust like Montgomery. Suddenly, I let you have it. Nobody's next to grab it. I got lyrics to go like Inspector Gadget in a bad habit, feeling for the potency.
¡Mamá! ¡Llegache! ¡Tengo que seguir a ligar!
Scavenger for months on the calendar. Any challenger trying to test this caliber. Binary star battle, you're villainous characters to the end with poet heroics like Super Friend.
Bruce Wayne and Dick Grayson, dynamic combination, get it simple complications. Burning sensations and flames these lame stations. Internal inferno blazing, pasture and planes racing. Keep you stargazing, star craving, star craving. My hair is the amazing, spectacular, vernacular.
So what you saying?
There's no discussion. We set flames to your productions, instantaneous, spontaneous combustion.
For the men, women, boys and girls, MCs, DJs, fans throughout the world. For those who drink, smoke,
Listen carefully, carefully. Listen carefully.
Step out the house around midnight. Naturally lit, high on life, financially fit, dipped in my garbage choice. Poised and ready, cause my barbalos made my fade fetty. Bet. Now we set the rated city. I paid these gritty bay rolls infinitely. Lay low, dipping dodge niggas with negative energy. Can see my whole steez. It's truly like that movie Coolie High. I know too many coaches who truly die. When I walk streets, I emphasize peace. Fuck stress. Need to release the rest off my chest. I feel blessed cause I still live, which is a positive. But nevertheless, I got to give respect to death. Taking trials and tribulations, making blueprints on how I do, man. So after parties, my body ain't getting autopsy. Got me? I showed it up for my folks. Speak whether spoken to but nah. Pops taught me that shit. Y'all got it backwards. Master my mean mug, but seem like funk comes faster. Blasted a slug or two, but plain thugging what I'm after. So it's chapters in life you captured and adapted to these raps that I write. Yo, it's a must that I bust just for you. On some peace shit. Yo, this is you. Yeah, this is you. For all my folks who wanna be shit, I say this is you. Yo, this is you. For all my kids who been hemmed up. And yo, this is you. Yeah, this is you. Listen up, cause you gotta be the kid up. Yo, this is you.
Who's that looking through my window? My mind's playing tricks on me, homie, that I smoke too much Indo. Drink too much liquor, and I still bump off. Beat the fuck out my face, telling you to fuck off. Spit your brains out on my Al Capone, Al Pacino's and Scarface. Hanging from a helicopter like Suarez. His garbage was noticed by my associates at lunch. Years ago in New York, he was in the foreman for the fuzz. So it's really good in the hood, keep the hoes handy. That stripper bitches sucking my dick for nose candy. $1 billion bill, got the payroll. Videotape hole, taking it up the A-hole for the yayo.
Podemos hacer servir la sombra, tío.
Problems about to bubble and blow like a flute in the background. When I put my Mac down, I drop hooks that'll make the crooks put the gas down. Turn it up a notch to make the fiends put the crack down. Before you know it, the heroin addicts putting they smack down like WWF. Can you smell what problems cooking? Via satellite live from Brooklyn. Nigga barbecuing up some marvelous hits. The type of shit that'll make it kick. Show our ass and tits. Hustler, put down his brick. Hitman, throwing his clips. CeeLo experts rolling 4, 5, 6 and trips. Enemy they chip. Bullets chopping out they whips. Enemy keys. Dime model bitches popping bottles. handing me G's. Colombian pockets shipping keys from overseas. Swerve messages delivering complimentary fees.
We sell crack to our own out the back of our homes. We smell the musk of the dusk and the crack of the dawn. We go through episodes too, like Attack of the Clones. What till we break a back and you hear the crack of the bone. To get by, just to get by, just to get by, just to get by. We commute to computer, spirits stay mute while your ego spread rumors. We survivalists turn to consumers. Just to get by, just to get by, just to get by, just to get by. You ask me why some people gotta live in the trailer, cause like a sailor, I paint a picture with the pen like Norman Mailer. Me and Weller raised 3 daughters all by herself with no help. I think about the struggle and I find the strength in myself. These words melt in my mouth, they hot like the jail cell in the south. Before my nigga core bailed me out. Just to get by, just to get by, just to get by. We do or die like best stars. See the red sky out the window and the red eye. Even the lead die, boy. I woke up feeling brand new. I jumped up and my high and my low and my soul and my goals just to stop smoking and stop drinking.
Te he pedido solo para que no con salsa.
Just to get by, just to get by, just to get by, just to get by. And stay crunk, it's easy to pull a breezy, smoke breeze and we stay drunk. Yo, our activism attacking the system, the blacks and Latins in prison, numbers in prison, they victim lacking the vision, shit, and all they got is rapping to listen to. I let them know we missing you, the love is unconditional, even when the condition is critical, when the living is miserable, your position is pivotal. I ain't bold in you now, what would I lie, just to get by, just to get by, to get fly. The TV got us reaching for stars, not the ones between Venus and Mars, the ones that be reading from parts. Get right handles at penis and larger Saturday, Sunday, Sunday morning at the feet of the Father. They need something to rely on. You get high on the types of drugs when all you really need is love. Get by, just to get by, just to get by. My pants sing like John Lennon. Imagine all the people watching, rock like Paul McCartney from now until the last Beatle drop. What? I woke up feeling brand new.
Boom. Amo la Atlético.